Bonjour, bonsoir. Lorsqu'on parle de dresseurs à Hollywood, on imagine tout de suite des dresseurs de souris, de chats, de chiens, de reptiles, mais jamais de dresseurs d'éléphants. Je vous présente Ty, c'est une star de cinéma. Il est censé faire un petit truc assez sympa qu'on voit souvent chez les éléphants. Ty et sa famille vivent ici chez Have Trunk Will Travel. Ty qui sera une des articulations de ce nouveau Hollywood Life.
Nous vous présenterons les pensionnaires de ce ranch unique aux États-Unis. Chacun a sa personnalité, ses dons, ses talents. Jim Carrey a attendu le dernier jour de tournage pour ajouter au scénario de son nouveau film une cascade qu'il effectue lui-même devant nos caméras. Le saut de l'ange de Mr. Carrey tout à l'heure. Kung Fu Panda, le nouveau cartoon de DreamWorks, ne sort que l'été prochain en exclusivité. Avec nous, l'homme derrière les images, Rodolphe Guénoden.
T'as fait du Kung Fu, toi?
Ouais.
100 kilos par jour de nourriture par pachyderme, c'est ce qu'ingurgitent les éléphants de Have Trunk Will Travel. Vous êtes impressionnés? Attendez de voir ce que ça donne de plus près.
C'est pas génial ça de se retrouver comme ça au milieu de la nature en pleine Californie avec des stars, Ty, Rosie, Dixie et avec Carrie qui a eu la gentillesse de nous accueillir. Carrie, I mean, we think trainer, we think, you know, dogs, reptile. What is the difference with elephants?
Well, elephants are the best because they're so smart. They can learn so many different things. And we train them not just for the movies. It's great because when an elephant can lay down on her side, you can scrub her everywhere, but then she might use that in the movie too.
Am I safe?
Yes,
Okay.
It's Ty. You're being kissed by a great big star right there.
Oh my God, Ty was, what movie was Ty in?
Operation Dumbo Drop, Larger Than Life, George of the Jungle, Jungle Book, a lot.
What are the basic tricks that you teach them?
Well, every elephant needs to learn the basics, and that would be to lift its feet and to lay down on its side and to walk with you, you know, all those different things. So you teach them the basics first, and then you build on those things, you know, to do the more interesting or unusual things that they might have to do on a set. First we have Dixie. She's our oldest elephant. She's 43. This is Rosie. This is JP's mom. This is Ty, the star of a lot of the different movies.
Big guy.
And here we have Becky. She's a younger one. This is Kitty, our social butterfly. This is little 2.5-year-old Tucker.
Hey Tucker.
And this is Tess, Tucker's mom.
Les éléphants acteurs en pleine action, on les retrouvera tout à l'heure sur le tournage d'Evan Tout-Puissant.
I want this to be the first time in history that an actor stepped in for the stuntman. Let's do it.
Are you sure?
Let's do this.
You're sure?
I'm totally sure.
Okay.
Yeah. That being said, pray for me.
Jim Carrey a mobilisé du monde à l'entrée de la ville de Pasadena sur un pont. L'acteur vient de terminer le tournage de Yes Man et s'apprête à se jeter littéralement dans le vide.
This is crazy, man.
Mr. Jim va donc faire sa propre cascade pour le film et pour nous.
Look what you have to do to get people's attention these days. It was just, you know, just a total release, a total like, well, okay, well, I've had a good life. It's kind of that, yeah. I took stock, I did okay. Okay, let's do this. And it's just so, your mind kind of detaches. I don't know. It's just so intense you can't describe it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Carrey.
All right, stand. Tie up. Kitty back. Tie up. All right. Steady. Trunk. All right, knee.
Retour aux éléphants stars de cinéma. JP, c'est le petit bébé et sa maman qui arrive, donc je vais dégager. Alors, On a rencontré tout à l'heure Carrie. Voici Gary. Gary, how did this all start?
It started when I was a kid. I worked for a man that had all kinds of animals, elephants, and just really enjoyed them. So I just started doing it. When I was 16, I had a chance to get one and just been doing it ever since. Because elephants are a lot of work, you know, every day a lot of work. You know, we start every day at 6:30, finish about 10 o'clock at night with them, so they're a lot of time, like having kids that never grow up and move away.
Taking elephants to the set, what is required? I mean,
You know, getting the elephants to the set is really not so hard because we're set up for it. All we do is give them a bath, give the truck a bath, and load them in the truck and drive to the set. But when we do the jobs, it's the permits and the what goes on behind the scenes.
The paperwork.
Yes, it's not the elephants themselves. It's all that surrounds it.
how do you direct elephants?
We use a voice command. And then we also use a guide as a physical cue for backup. But our elephants are trained to work very well with voice commands because we can't stand beside them. Usually when you're on the set, you have to be behind the camera. So they have to learn to listen for what we say.
All right, blow.
Have they ever used them as a model for either cartoon or CGI?
Yes, they have, actually, for George of the Jungle, the CGI, and actually the artists come out and watch them, and actually we've taken Elephant to Disney so the artists can watch how they walk and move and interact, so they can illustrate that in their drawings.
And, so you took them to Disney.
Yes.
They didn't come to you. You took them to Disney.
Right.
I mean,
right. It's easier for us to take an elephant than it probably is to get a whole crew of people to come.
Monkey. On ne quitte pas les animaux, c'est une véritable ménagerie animée. C'est bien sûr le très attendu Kung Fu Panda. Sortie prévue pour juillet prochain. Jack Black et Dustin Hoffman pour les voix. Et derrière les planches à dessin, un Français, Rodolphe Guénoden.
Entre l'art martiaux, le dessin, le cinéma, l'animation, enfin c'était enfin un film d'animation qui était différent, qui liait tout ce que j'aimais, quoi. Donc ouais, j'ai dit Proms il y a 3 ans de ça pour faire le storyboard. Et puis là, donc les réalisateurs ont été satisfaits de ce que j'avais fourni au storyboard pour les chorégraphies. Donc ils m'ont dit écoute, tu t'en occupes aussi à l'animation, quoi. Je suis content. En plus, il y a une équipe, je sais pas si t'as vu les petits jeunes français là, des gobelins qui viennent de débarquer. Mais des brutes qui vont m'apprendre aussi à faire de la 3D bien comme il faut, tu vois.
Show us what you can do.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I just ate, so I'm still digesting, so my kung fu might not be as good as later on.
DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda.
How's that?
après ça, je vous le dis, moi j'adopte un éléphant. C'était Hollywood Live, on se retrouve la semaine prochaine depuis Los Angeles. C'est dommage, ils vont nous manquer ces petits gars-là. Tout de suite, le lâcher de Bimbo. Ciao!